Are you a Webtoon addict who keeps losing track of episodes, can't remember what you've finished, what you're reading, or what's trending right now? Well, welcome to Webtoon AI Tracker, your smart companion for discovering, tracking, and staying ahead in the world of digital comics. If you love Webtoons and want smarter ways to explore and track your favorites, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications bell. Because we're building the future of Webtoon tracking, powered by AI. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. When you open Webtoon, the first thing you'll see is the home interface, featuring top stories, recommendations, and personalized picks based on your reading history. Just like on the official Webtoon site, you can browse by Sparkle's trending, the hottest titles fans are reading right now. Fire popular, all-time favorites across genres. Artist palette originals, exclusive series you won't find anywhere else. Writing hand canvas, rising indie creators from around the world. Plus genre tabs like drama, fantasy, action, romance, comedy, slice of life, sci-fi, and more. Use the My Tracker feature. Track your reading progress. See episode counts. Monitor percentage completion. Mark episodes as read. Remove completed series. It's simple, visual, and built for real Webtoon fans. When building something like this, white heavy checkmark. Use semantic tags like header, section, nav, footer. This improves SEO and structure. White heavy checkmark. Group repeating content like series cards. Inside reusable containers like div class equals series card. Use flexbox or grid. For example, series lists, display, flex, gap, 20px. Or use grid template columns for clean rows.
You can trust yourself. You can make it happen. Don't wanna be someone else. Close your eyes and imagine.
All up in the morning. Can you see I'm all in? In your eyes I'm falling. All for you. I've gotta tell you something. I wanna have some fun. So if you like it, come and get it till we see the sun.
Now let's talk about something important. If you're learning a new programming language, whether it's JavaScript, Python, C++, or anything else, here's what most beginners get wrong. Keycap 1. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on syntax, variables, loops, functions, basic logic. Master fundamentals first. Syntax is the grammar of a programming language. A variable is a container that stores data. For example, username stores text or age stores a number. A loop repeats code multiple times.
I'ma lose my mind, I'ma poker face. Keep your eyes on me, you know.
If you want more real-world HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects like this, subscribe to the channel. I'll be building AI recommendation systems, interactive web apps, portfolio-level UI projects, and full-stack upgrades. Let's level up your coding skills together.